Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. This is most likely one of the simplest ways to earn money online this year. Not only that, but accessing this site is completely free. There's no need for any cash or investment and it will literally cost you nothing. Stay with us to the finish because we're about to teach you how to earn $750 per day for watching videos on YouTube. Make money watching videos 2022. Number 5. What's the estimated cost of this procedure? The platform we're about to tell you about is absolutely free, which means no money or commitment is required and it will literally cost you nothing. This platform screams convenience much more since you can access and utilize it from anywhere on the globe because it's commonly accessible in practically every country, and if that's not enough to entice you, this one will. The entire process is absolutely ideal for newbies like you who are just getting started in the field of online money generating. You don't need any prior expertise and, more importantly, no technical abilities to complete this. Number 4. What are early tricks? First and foremost, you'll need your phone, which will serve as your weapon in allowing you to make a lot of money. Remember, you can earn up to $750 a day, and what's even better is that you may repeat this procedure as many times as you like and earn as much as you want now. The second step is actually very simple. Simply hit the play video button on your device of choice to play some YouTube videos for you to watch, and the third step is just the cherry on top since you're being paid right now. By this point, you're certainly eager to learn more about this lucrative internet business opportunity. Number 3. Follow this website. The first website that we want you to check is followfast.com. This platform allows you to get money just by viewing videos. It's pretty cool because if you look at the recent payout history, you can see that a lot of people all over the world are making money every day. If you look at this column, you can see that these people checked out today, demonstrating that this website is transparent and open about how much money you can make. This demonstrates how obvious and straightforward this website is, as well as how much you can make and how much you can learn from all of these individuals from all over the world who earn money simply by viewing movies. With all of this payout information, you have no need to be concerned about the platform's validity because obviously, these individuals have been extremely pleased with the huge sums of money they've earned from followfast.com. If you want to become one of those people, and we're telling you that you can, you just have to stay tuned with us till the very end of this video. Number 2, create a free account. When we first visit the website, we're met with these lines explaining how followfast.com works. Everything is simple to achieve with these 3 simple steps. First of all, sign up for free, then view pages to gain points, and last, use your points to promote. You have complete freedom to browse the home page and learn all you need to know, but for now, let's go right to the point. To begin, just click the join button, which is situated in the upper right corner of the main page. This will lead us to your registration interface where you can create a free account just by entering your preferred username, email address, and password, and your location will automatically be detected by the website, so you won't have to fill anything in for this field right here that says referral. Don't worry if you don't have one, because this website accepts everyone from anywhere in the world, so you can do this entirely on your own. Finally, answer the CAPTCHA by typing in the numbers beside the box, and you're almost done because all you have to do now is click the join button to proceed, and you'll have your account on followfast.com in as simple as 1, 2, 3. And just in case you forgot, you accomplished it for free and in less than 5 minutes. And don't forget, you may use whatever device you have in your arsenal to conduct this procedure, including your computer, laptop, tablet, and, as previously said, your smartphone. So you've got your account now, correct? After you sign up for an account, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard, which is where everything begins. We want you to click on that YouTube button right there, and you'll see places like likes, dislikes, and subs. Now click on plays, and you'll be sent to this page where you can view videos and be paid for doing so. Let us give you a tip. If you want to acquire and earn more points, you should watch each video for at least 35 seconds, and then you'll receive points. These points will ultimately be turned into real money that you can spend in your everyday life. To demonstrate how simple it is, simply play the video and wait a bit. While you wait, you may do other things like read a book, play with your dog, listen to music, and so on. As you can see right there, when you view this video, you will earn this number of points. As a result, the selected point system is visible throughout the entire homepage. Remember that you must stay for the duration of the video in order to get more and more points as you watch it. We want you to return to followfast.com, where you'll notice that the clock begins at 35 seconds. Once the countdown reaches 0, you'll gain the points assigned to each video. This will serve as your guide for how many more seconds you need to watch the video. Number 1. Each video requires 35 seconds of your time. Allow 35 seconds for it to do its task, and voila! You now have your points automatically. Returning to the previous page, you can see that these are the assigned points for each video. Simply click on the play button to be sent to YouTube, stop the movie, return to followfast.com, and wait until the clock reaches 0. It's all great since you don't even need to watch the video, because these points will be added to your balance in the blink of an eye once the 35 seconds have passed. Allow us to show you how to double or even quadruple the amount of money you may make right now. For example, this video awards you with this number of points. The trick is that you may open another tab on your phone, computer, or other device and watch another movie at the same time to earn extra points in whichever way you like. This eliminates the need to wait 35 seconds to go on the next video because everything is happening at the same time. The entire process that we've shared with you is so simple that you can do it with your eyes closed. Therefore, we strongly advise you to view as many videos as you can right now. We want you to broaden your horizons with this possibility and significantly improve your profits. So let us know if you're interested in this money-making tip in the comments down below. You can also ask us any questions if you like. So before we get out of here, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to catch up on more money-making tips and videos like this going forward, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another awesome video. Bye now!